Okay, check this one out as I explain how to exit M6 northbound at junction 10 heading towards Walsall, exit 4. So as I approach a roundabout, there are two options turning right towards Walsall. We've got two lanes here going right, the left lane and the right lane, lane 1 and lane 2. As we enter the roundabout, if you look on the road, you can see the road markings clearly stated. These two lanes towards Warsaw, and if you look above on the road sign, you can see the same to Warsaw. I choose the first lane, which is always going to be the easiest to exit. All you need to do at this point is stay nice and disciplined in your lane, and just be aware of who are not so disciplined in their lane when you're about to exit. Quickly a glance to the left and the right is always a good thing. Getting ready to exit now, which is going to be the easy bit. Quick glance of the mirrors again, just to be aware. Mainly the center and the left mirror. Indicate left in good time. Exit the roundabout safely and head home. Home sweet home. Don't forget to follow me for more driving tips. See you.